Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I will share a little hidden tricks of iPhone flashlight. So when we turn on the flashlight of the iPhone, its intensity seems very high to us. You can increase or decrease the flashlight level of your phone as needed. So let's see the tricks. First, you need to open the control center of the iPhone. Then, long press on the flashlight. Here is an interface showing few levels. Touch the levels to increase or decrease the brightness of flashlight. For example, if you want to increase the brightness of the flashlight, we will touch it upwards. And if you want to decrease the brightness, you will touch it from the top down. Or you can choose any single level to turn off or reduce the brightness of the flashlight. Hope you understand how to increase or decrease the brightness of flashlight. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, comments and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Apple Info to get more new iPhone tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.